Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming the jump starter has enough charge. Aim for at least half its capacity, because insufficient power stalls the process. Next, make sure the car is off, keys removed, and accessories are shut to prevent surges. Position yourself to reach both battery terminals easily. If the battery is under a cover, remove it. Once done, attach the positive, red, clamp to the positive terminal, because that establishes the correct polarity before you proceed to the next clamp. Now connect the negative, black, clamp to a solid metal grounding point on the engine block or chassis. This reduces spark risk and protects electronics. If your unit has a mode or voltage selector, choose the proper setting for your vehicle. Incorrect mode can damage systems. Power on the jump starter and allow it to stabilize for 30 to 60 seconds so capacitors equalize and voltage is steady. After that pause, you're ready to start the engine with minimal stress on both batteries. You should attempt to start the vehicle. If it cranks, let the engine run for 2 to 5 minutes so the alternator recharges the battery. Once running, power off the jump starter and remove clamps in reverse order, black first, then red to avoid sparks. If the engine won't crank after one attempt, wait 3 to 5 minutes and try again. If still dead, confirm clamp polarity and solid metal ground connection, because loose or reversed clamps are the most common cause of failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.